side, so maybe I can provide my feedback. So like I didn't had a very much of agile experience in my project, but the concept I was little aware about the terminologies, but once I went through the session, I think that I'm clear on most of the points, but let's see. I have to go to the PDF also, and if in case of any doubt, maybe I'll disturb you for some of the points. But yes, the points and the concepts were very clear, and the examples that were given was quite relatable. Otherwise, because we all are from, I believe, from the different industries also, so somewhere something is happening, somewhere some practices are being followed up. So yes, the concepts and the examples we could relate upon. So it was very good. Thank you for your time. Thank you.